What is astronomy? Astronomy is study of objects lying beyond Earth's atmosphere. It involves maths, physics and chemistry in order to explain composition, origin and evolution of our universe. If you are the one who is very curious about knowing about our night sky, then congratulations, you are an astronomer. Who is an astronomer? Astronomer is the one who studies about everything in the universe beyond Earth's atmosphere. Astronomy defines a precise location in this huge universe. For example, you are on a rocky terrestrial planet which supports life. It's covered with atmosphere and has liquid water, that is Earth. Earth is the third planet in our solar system, out past the Kuiper belt. Through the Oort cloud and moving into the outer space, we are present in a gigantic spiral galaxy called Milky Way. It has a supermassive black hole in its heart. It is surrounded by 150 globular clusters and contains dwarf galaxies. All this can be seen from other galaxies in our local group like Andromeda and Triangulum, and our group is present in outskirts of Virgo galaxy cluster, which is a part of Virgo supercluster, and many of these superclusters form our known visible universe, which is 90 billion light years across, and it is expanding faster and faster every day due to mysterious dark energy, and our universe might be a part of infinite multiverse. Isn't this your precise location in this huge universe? Astronomy is an historical branch of science. It exists from the period of Egyptians, Indians, and Greeks. They used to navigate their direction with the help of sun, moon, and stars. These civilizations made a device named sundial, which tells them time with help of shadows formed by sunlight. These civilizations used to plan their agricultural tasks, and they used to perform many spiritual and religious practices. They even created calendars by observing the patterns formed by stars in the night sky. One of the biggest examples is Stonehenge. It was constructed in such a manner that it aligns with winter solstice and the opposing sunrise of summer solstice. Stonehenge acts as a solar calendar. It is even a place where spiritual and religious practices have taken place. These ancient civilizations observed and recorded the patterns of stars every day and created a chart called Star Chart. Star Chart is map of our night sky. Even today it is used by astronomers and stargazers. They even connected several number of stars and formed patterns. These patterns today they are known as constellations. Today there are about 88 constellations present in our night sky. 1300 years ago, everyone used to believe that Earth was in the center of the universe. Everything observable in the sky, that is the sun, the moon, the planets and the stars, revolved around the Earth. This model of the universe is called geocentrism. It was proposed by Ptolemy in 2nd century. But in the year 1543, Nicolaus Copernicus challenged the idea of geocentrism. He said that Earth is not at the center of the universe. Movement of sun and stars was the result of Earth's motion. It took about 200 years for this view of our universe to replace with geocentrism. Later, Johannes Kepler challenged the Copernicus view but favored with heliocentric view. He said that the orbits of the planets are elliptical, not spherical. The laws given by Kepler combined with the equations of Sir Isaac Newton and laid the foundations of modern astronomy. Galileo Galilei is known as father of modern astronomy. He was the first person to point a telescope at the night sky. He made very important observations like sun has spots, earth revolves around the sun, and etc. Advancements in the field of optics and photography led us to build such powerful telescopes that it can see at the larger distances in our universe. What do you think about the future of the astronomy? Comment down in the comment box. In the next video, we will be exploring about our next home, that is the moon.